Myself T. Sudhanani, TTW and AC in Woodnor. We are botany lecturer. Okay, today I explain the topic embryology. Okay, what is the embryology? Means development of embryos. Embryos development. Embryos development, and in this embryos development, study of development of embryos is called embryology. Okay, so first the father of embryology. Okay, father of embryology is called the 8th Acharya Panchanan Maheshwari. Who is the father of embryology? Acharya Panchanan Maheshwari is the father of embryology. Okay, so what is the development of embryos is called embryology. Okay, students. Next, we know the in the flower what they are present male parts and female parts. Okay, male means the anther microspores. Male parts microspores, and this also called as anther, and female parts megaspore. Megaspore and ovules are present in this. So male means microspores, the dusty particles, and very microscopic. Microspores means they are very small in size. Okay, they are very small in size, and the male gametes comparison to female and male gametes, the smaller one. Okay, so in the flower we know the flower structures. Okay, the petals and sepals, protected sepals and present. Okay, and centrally the female gametes are present, and the anthers also present on the flower, total flower region. Okay, sepals, petals, and the megasporogenesis and microspores also present in these parts. Flower parts. Okay, so we know that all the angiospermic plant. Okay, all the angiospermic plant what they present, most of the dicotyledons anthers are present. Okay, dicots. Okay, angiosperm is in the dithecus. Okay, dithecus means two lobes are present, and monothecus. Monothecus means only single lobe is present. Okay, dithecus. Okay, di means two. Theca means lobes. Two lobes are present in the anther. Okay, we know the structure. What is the structure? The large tube-like structure, the filament, stalk-like structure of the filament is present. They attach to the connective tissues, and the final edge is the anthers are connected with the connective tissues. Okay, they are anther. Anther is a filament. Okay, anther and filament. It is a structure of the male gamete. Okay, so in this dithecus and dithecus lobes. Okay, the two lobes are present in the anther region. Okay, stamens is called stamens. Stamens means filament, and anther is called stamens. Okay, so we know the what is the stamens and the anthers, and they are attached to the filament. Okay, in the anther what they are present, the cells anther region. The anthers are divided into 4 layers. How many layers? 4 layers. Okay, 4 layers. You know that every plant parts, okay, the cells are divided into layer. Okay, so in the 4 layers are present in the anther region. So outermost of the region, okay, you see this structure, outermost region of this cells, okay, the single layerly the cells are present. The single layer of the cells are called epidermis. Okay, the single layer of the cells are epidermis, and beneath the epidermis, okay, the epidermis beneath the next cells are endothelium. Okay, these endothelium cells also single and when the cells are the comparison to the epidermis and endothelium, the endothelium cells are large. Okay, the cells are large, and outermost layer of the epidermis cells, some cells are present in this region. Okay, some thin walled, and they are largely the cell size is large. The large cells are called stomium. Okay, the large cells are called stomium. It is helpful to the after maturation of the anther. They are helpful to the break down the wall, and the spores are moved to the with the help of stomium region. They move to the outer region. Okay. So this epidermis is the single layerly present. So this epidermis single layer of the cells, they deposited the alpha cellulose. Okay, what I am saying, alpha cellulose is stored. Which time they store the immature stage? After the maturation, then they attach to the endothelium cells. What happened? You see this structure. Total structure in a microscopic region, the outer region of the stomium is stomium present. Okay, so it is a epidermis, endothelium, and next one is a middle layer. Okay, we know the 4 layers are present on the anther region. Anther region 4 layers. For outer one, epidermis, endothelium, and middle layers. Okay, this middle layer of the cells are beneath the endothelium. Okay, they are present in which region? Beneath the endothelium. Which layer is present? Middle layers are present. Okay, these middle layers helpful to the 4 lobe. Okay, 4 pollen sacs are present. They give the nutrients. Okay, so in middle layers are what is the function of middle layer? They give the nutrition to the micro sacs. Okay, pollen sacs and micro sacs. In the micro sacs, microspore sacs, what are they present? Microspores are present. Okay, the inner sacs is called theca or sacs. Theca or sac. In the sacs region, what are present? Pollen grains. Pollen grains is also called microspores. Okay, these microspores are in immature stage. The middle layer and outer surrounding tapetal cells are present. Okay, in which region the tapetal cells are present? Which region? Tapetal cells are present on the beneath the middle layer. Beneath the middle layer, tapetal cells are present. These tapetal cells, immature stage, they helpful to the pollen grain development. After the maturation, okay, after the development of pollen grains, in this pollen grains, nucleus, many nucleus is divided, and in the pollen grains, what happened? They develop the pollen grains. Pollen grains are developed. Okay, and one sac. This is the one sac. This is the another sac. They are connectively. Okay, this in the tapetal region of the total cells and the middle layers cells are disappear. Okay, after the maturation is disappear, but before the maturation what happened? They are present and they are helpful to the development of the pollen grains. Okay, pollen grains. The pollen grains surrounded the cells. The sac-like structures are the present. Okay, capital region is disappear and middle layers also disappear. After the what is the outer region of the endothelium and endothelium and epidermis cells are they are attached together. Attached together, what happened? Sync. Okay, they close together. Epidermis and endothelium close together. In the stomium region, what happened? They are break down. Okay, break down this stomium region with the pollen grains. Okay, in the pollen region, but in every pollen grains, nucleus is present. Okay, nucleus is divided. Okay, mitotic division takes place and nucleus is divided and many nucleus are formed. Okay. Now, in mature stage, the capital, what is the function? Capital function is what is the function is present. Capital the nucleus division is take place and development of the nucleus means the pollen grains. Pollen grains are fully developed after the maturation. The pollen grains are developed in the stomium region. They are moved together and they are moved together and they are moved outer surface. Pollen grains are moved means we know the structure. Okay, the anther is present. This anther is developed with the 4 layers in the pollen sacs are present. You know, so this region. Okay, so this region, the stomium is breakdown. Okay, so through the stomium region, the breakdown of these walls and the pollen grains are fall down on the flower region. Okay, the pollen grains are fall out and in the flower region we know what they are present and the ovule region is present on the inner surface. So pollen grains are moved outer surface and they reach the ovary and pollination is take place. Okay, after the move to the anther region to the outer surface. They move the outer surface. The pollen grains are moved to the ovary region. Okay, form the zygote. Okay, so next. Okay, students. So functions. What are the functions are present? Epidermal function. When immature stage of the epidermal function. First, the protection is in what stage? The cells are immature and the stage what happened? Epidermal function is the protection and endothelium function. The cell alpha cellulose is deposited in the cells and they develop they are helpful to the development of the pollen grains. Middle layer is beneath the endothelium cells and they are present on the immature stage. The petapetal cells are present on the pollen grain surface region. Okay, they are helpful to give the nutrition to the pollen grains and the tapetal is helpful to the development of the pollen grains. Okay, in the pollen grains what they are present? Microspore mother cells. Microspore mother cells. It is also called pollen mother cells. Okay. Pollen mother cells. Okay. Nuclear division take place. After the nuclear division means they are fully matured. The microspore mother cells. They are moved to the outer surface. This is the structure of anther, 4 layers. Okay. I hope you understand this lecture. Thank you, students.